time to prepare for Halloween. Make delicious cookies in great colors. And make sure to treat your neighborhood with these great treasures. So you start by mixing the dough, divide it up in 2 pieces, color them orange and green. I usually use powder color and just mix it with water. Then you put the dough pieces on baking paper and mix and match the colors like this. Bake them for 8 minutes, and then you cut them up while they are still warm. So get ready for trick and treating. Remember to eat like a Viking.